Imagine living in a time when the world was still full of mystery, and the idea of a round Earth was more of a distant theory than a scientific fact. It was in such a time, around 240 BCE, that a brilliant Greek scholar named Eratosthenes came up with a groundbreaking idea. What if, with careful observation and simple measurements, you could calculate the size of the Earth itself? Eratosthenes, the chief librarian at the Library of Alexandria, was not just a scholar. He was a polymath with a curiosity that spanned across geography, astronomy, and mathematics. He was the first to measure the Earth's circumference with astonishing accuracy, and he did it without the advanced tools we have today. So, how did he do it? Eratosthenes used a clever method based on the simple idea that the Earth is spherical and that sunlight hits different locations at different angles. On the summer solstice, he knew that in the Egyptian city of Syene, modern-day Aswan, the sun was directly overhead, so much so that objects like tall columns cast no shadow. But in Alexandria, 800 kilometers to the north, Eratosthenes noticed that the sun cast a small shadow at the same time. This told him that the sun's rays were hitting Alexandria at an angle. The difference in shadow lengths between the two cities indicated that the Earth's surface between them was curved. Eratosthenes measured the angle of the shadow in Alexandria, which turned out to be about 7.2 degrees. Since 7.2 degrees is 1/50th of a full circle, Eratosthenes realized that the distance between Syene and Alexandria was 1/50th of the Earth's total circumference. Knowing the distance between the two cities, which was approximately 800 kilometers, Eratosthenes multiplied that by 50, and voila, the Earth's circumference was estimated to be around 40,000 kilometers. Remarkably, this calculation was incredibly close to the actual circumference, which is about 40,075 kilometers, and all of this using nothing but the power of observation, geometry, and a little bit of math. Eratosthenes' ingenuity was a pivotal moment in the history of science. His method, though simple, laid the groundwork for centuries of scientific exploration. By measuring the world with precision and patience, he showed us just how much we could understand about our planet, simply by looking up at the sky. Today, we stand on the shoulders of giants like Eratosthenes. His work not only demonstrated the Earth's true size, but also inspired generations of thinkers to continue measuring, exploring, and expanding our understanding of the world. So, next time you look up at the sky, remember the ancient scholar who, centuries ago, measured the very world beneath your feet. And who knows, maybe you'll be inspired to make your own discoveries too.